like them. Jamming on the beat. Sells me out and doing like them.
Hi guys, if you're new here, hey, I'm Deb, and today I have Macy's beauty box, and this box is $15, and I'll leave the link down below. And it's similar to the Walmart box, but Macy's has higher end products. Let's see if I can open it. And I haven't received this for a long time now. They used to have a waiting list, but they don't seem to have that anymore. This is what it looks like when you open it up, and the whole box comes apart, so it's real easy to break down. And this time we got a comb, which my hair can use all the help it can get today. I don't have any makeup on at all because my eyes have been screwing up again, and boy, I'm getting a lot of that dark hair coming out again. And inside they give you Bumble and Bumble faves and $5 off a beauty purchase. So there's that. You can use this for a bookmark too. Let me see. I know, put my glasses right here. There they are. That'll help us immensely. But yeah, I'm just trying to get this out because when my eyes have been so messed up, that it's been hard for me to record. And this is Bumble and Bumble Hairdressers Invisible Oil Shampoo and Invisible Oil Conditioner. And it says free of sulfate cleansers. For dry hair. Both mine for dry hair, which my hair's not dry or oily. It's just kind of there. It's normal. And then inside you get this little pink tissue paper. And everything you have is inside there. And here's another one of those. So you got two of these. And then this one is dry spun texture hairspray from Bumble and Bumble. And it's PRB thicken. Smells good. Okay. And then we have Bumble and Bumble something building hair repair treatment. Oh, bond building repair treatment. And this one is heat, and this is a heat shield. And this one is, what the heck? Oh. 0.1 fluid ounce. They're both 1 fluid ounce. So, and then the last thing we got is Bumble and Bumble Hairdressers Invisible Oil Protective Primer. And see, I don't really have much trouble with that because I don't put a bunch of that gunk on my hair. You know, I wash it and I put leave-in conditioner, and that's it. So you don't have to worry about getting all that crap out of your hair if you don't put it in your hair. But anyway, that was the Macy's beauty box for November. And they used to have a waiting list, but they didn't seem to have one this time. And I didn't, when my number came up, I didn't get it last time because it was like, I can't afford the crap once I get it, but then I thought, well, I'll do it. And now it's give you one free thing, and this is from Bumble and Bumble, and it's a comb. They give you one free thing. It's kind of like Ipsy. They give you one item, and, you know, it's about the same price as Ipsy. So, anyway, that's today's unboxing. I kind of got screwed up this week, so I will have my Friday Temu, and I may put an Advent on up after this one, because usually today's the day I have my Advents, and this was supposed to be Mondays, but with the irritation in my eyes, sometimes I just can't do it. So anyway, like, subscribe, do all the YouTubey stuff, and boy, this is a quick one. So maybe, I don't know, maybe next month I'll have to do Ipsy versus Macy's just to get a full video out of it. But anyway, I'll talk to you later and do all the YouTube stuff, because I believe I have 39 more I need, I think. at last check. So come on, help me out. Help a sister out. Bye.